Hi, my name is Giselle Guerrero and welcome to Hacienda Ilusión. This is an incredible landmark of 278 acres and we're here today to do a 360 video and walk you through this incredible landmark, the 5 properties, and the view. So come with me to see everything.
Starting with this entrance, we can see these impressive gates that opens to Hacienda Ilusión. As soon as you enter to this stunning landmark, you can feel the beautiful nature that is located beneath El Yunque. That is one of the only tropical forests in United States National Forest System and is one of the most important landmarks of Puerto Rico. You can see on the left the first property that is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom villa. On the right is the solar panel system that supplies energy for the entire state, including the 5 properties. Now you can see Hacienda Ilusión venue that was built in 2004 and is characterized by its arch that makes up vault that transport visitors to the largest states of southern Spain. In the first floor is a magnificent stable that has the potential to be transformed into hotel rooms. This entire venue, it can be and have the capacity to be transformed into an amazing boutique hotel. A majestic pairs of stairs leads to the second level, from which you can see an impressive 360-degree view of the surrounding lakes and forest. The terrace allows you to enjoy the unique gift that nature offers. On the second floor, you have the Illusion Hall that has high ceiling with impressive windows where you can view and have access to the outside to the palatial terrace. In both venues, you can have activities and events. Now you're seeing the Hilltop Mansion. This is in the peak of the hill. This is by far one of the most impressive estates in all of Puerto Rico. This property was built in 2014 and has 8,800 square footage of living space. This gorgeous 7-bedroom, all with their own bathroom. This is truly the most impressive work of art. Here in the exterior of the mansion is an amazing pool surrounded by 3 terraces, all with panoramic views to all directions. You have El Yunque, National Rainforest, Nahuabo, the ocean view. You can even see Vieques Island. It really doesn't matter where you look. You will find a panoramic, breathtaking view in all directions. This land has the incredible potential to be something that has never been seen in Puerto Rico. It can be developed as an eco-tourist park attraction in one part of the land, and in the other one it can be a hotel for the tourists that visit the eco park. Puerto Rico is known by its tropical rainforest and nature, and the hotel industry has never developed an eco park hotel in Puerto Rico before. I invite you to see this impressive land and its infinite potential. If you want more information, you can contact us in lifestylerealty.com. Thank you for watching today.